Ma'am, are you hotel change na po? Medium sa'yo, ma'am.
Mga ma'am, if gusto po nyo ng my style, ayan, pwede po siyang open. And then, mag-inner lang po kayo mga ma'am ng nude or black. Perfect. Ayan po mga ma'am, si Black. Napakaganda ni Black, nakakapayat. And very professional. Charas. Very comfy to wear, lightweight. Best seller din mga ma'am. Code po tayo ng 263 mga ma'am ha. Black,
XL na lang
light
nasa ma'am
and dark. Suot ko po kanina for only 2,000 via air cargo. Available size small hanggang 2.
Okay, ma'am Cha. Bali, dark XL na po sa'yo, ma'am. Sa 263.
Ayan naman si Black sa suot ko po mga ma'am. We have color black. Height ko po ma'am ha, 5'5", pero pwede po siyang paputulan yung pants. Ayan, no worries po sa mga 5 flat po dyan mga ma'am. Pwede po natin itong paputulan. Hindi po siya nasisira mga ma'am. And then, napakaganda ng kanyang deep cut sa pants mga ma'am. Oh, closer look, may pa-sleeve po siya. Napakaganda and high waist po ito mga ma'am ha, kaya nakaka-curve siya ng ating katawan. And then, yung top niya po mga ma'am pa-corset. Corset style po siya. Back details. Ayan.
Change daw si Ma'am Conte. Ma'am Melanie Barrientos. Large na lang. Okay, Ma'am Melanie Barrientos, large na lang. Ha?
Code ng 263 black, light, and C dark.
Sige, ma'am. Next na po.
One above.
Next, Ma'am CNY. Ma'am Anchu and Ma'am Ria Maximo. Okay, ma'am, it has 3 colors. Available size natin dito, ma'am, is medium, from medium lang po. Medium, large, and XL. Medium, large, and XL. Ang length ng pants is 40. 40 ang length ng pants. ML, XL lang po yung available for this one, ma'am. This is the color black. Ayan si color black. Wait lang po sa code, ma'am, ha. Ayan si color black. White naman yung kanyang stripes. Denim, ma'am, ha. CNY. Denim version. It has zipper and then meron ding ganito na knot locks. Ayan. Ganyan, ma'am. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin as lock, pero pwede din pong i-zipper lang. Ayan. Napaka-naganda ng kanyang material, ma'am. Denim, soft denim, ma'am. Hindi makate, hindi mainit, and pwedeng-pwede sa Philippine weather. Ayan, ma'am, si black. This is the black. Wait lang po sa code, ma'am. This is the light. Ayan si light, ma'am. Ma'am, 41 inches yung kanyang length ng pants, ma'am, ha. Ayan si light. Wait lang, admin na nalibog ko. Ayan si light. Wait lang po sa code, ma'am. Light, and dito naman sa mannequin si dark. Ayan si dark. Ma'am, white ang kanyang mga stripes, ma'am, ha. I'm wearing black. This is the light. Ayan si light, and this is the dark. Ma'am, pa-code na lang, ma'am, pa-code, ma'am, ADCNY. ADCNY plus color. ADCNY black. ADCNY light. ADCNY dark. Ma'am, ang available sizes, ma'am, is only medium, large, and XL. Medium, large, and XL. Medium, large, and XL. All colors. ML, XL lang. Sa black, ma'am, ADCNY, ML, XL only. ADCNY light, ML, XL only. And for the ADCNY dark, ML, XL only. Ayan na, Ma'am Rhea and Ma'am Anchu. Ma'am Gracie May, nakapag-pay na daw sa NN20, please ha, paki-note na same nung suot ni Mar. Yes, Ma'am Gracie, may na-note na po during live. Ma'am, sorry ma'am. Dito sa suot ko ma'am for only 2,260. Sorry ma'am na nakalimutan ko yung price. For only 2,260, set na po yan ma'am. Set na siya ma'am ha. And free air cargo, first week of June ang ating ETA. 2,260. ADCNY black, ADCNY light, ADCNY dark. 41 ang kanyang length ng pants. I am 5'6 po. I am 5'6. Medyo na po kay kung tingin sister no, sorry. 41 yung length.
Yeah.
I am 5'6.
Yeah.
Size medium ako, ma'am. I am wearing medium. And if gusto nyo po ng loose, ma'am, you can upsize. Pero medium, large, and XL lang po yung available. Wait lang po sa details ng ating reference details. Reference data size chart details. Ma'am, si medium ma'am is si medium ma'am is 40 bust. And then sa medium naman ng pants is 26 to 32. And then sa large naman ma'am is 52 bust. And sa large pants, waist, is 26 to 34. And for the XL naman ma'am is 54 bust and 30 to 36 ang waist. MLXL only for the ADCNY. I am wearing black. ADCNY black. 5'6 po ako, ma'am ha. And 41 inches for the pants. Ayan, may stripes sa kilid. 3 stripes, ma'am. White ang color. This is the ADCNY dark. White din po yung kanyang stripes. Zipper, ma'am ha. Naka-zipper, ma'am. Meron siyang nut locks. CNY version, denim version ng CNY. Ayun. Pwede po siyang, you can lock using this po.
Next to si XL, anak ko.
XL?
Scary.
Kaya ko din mo XL.
Ma'am Danica, yung suot ko po kanina, ma'am, may code po no, na si 263, Ma'am Danica. Sorry po, ma'am, ha? Ayan, 263 black, light, and dark po, ma'am. 2,000 lang po, ma'am, via air cargo
Si
po yun.
XL.
Di ka siya
Pero,
ang pansin.
ang ilahamang kung display ki. Smallest size. If dili small, medium ra jud. Kini siya sold out si small, medium na lang ang naang. Ma'am, ADCNY black, ADCNY dark, ADCNY light.
Yes,
ML, XL only.
ML, 2XL.
2XL? Me 2XL. Ma'am, may 2XL for this one. Are you sure?
No small.
No small, ma'am. May 2XL daw po.
ML, XL, 2XL.
ML 2XL. Meron